Students, good afternoon to you. This class for class 10. Last day I have finished question number 1 of exercise 14.3. This exercise is especially about the median of group data. Question number 1 I have solved, and you got the formula also how to find the median of group data. Now that day I said that yes, this exercise have 2 or 3 type of question. Number 1, that find the median. Okay, that is standard question. Number 2, like us, that to find the missing frequency, and then I will solve number 3. Also one more question I will discuss. Okay, this type of question it may be related with the median. Number 2 here given, if the median of the distribution given below is 28.5, find the values of x and y. Here median is given from one table is given, and find the values of x and y means here x and y are the missing frequencies that we have to find. Okay, so in median how to find the missing frequency? In mean you have learned how to find the missing frequency, but in median. So that you see the table here. This table here, the class interval is given, that it is the frequency. Total of frequency 60 is given, but two missing frequency x and y. This x and y we have to find. Here the median is given 28.5. Okay, then we'll find that x and y. We have to make the table since this table related with the median, and median value is given. Then here that CM we have to find. And how to find, you have the idea. So first frequency will not change. Then 5 plus x. So it is 5 plus x. Then 5 plus x plus 20, or 5 plus x plus 20, it is 25 plus x. Now 25 plus x plus 15, it is 40 plus x. 40 plus x plus y, it is 40 plus x plus y. This term plus 5, it is 45 plus x plus y. Okay, so this is the CM means cumulative frequency. Now table is finished. Then we'll find that median class. But one thing you have to remember that here you see here if we start that here 60 given, n equal to 60, we know how to find that median class, n equal to 60. So n by 2 equal to 30. And what is the process? That 30 is present? Not. And more than 30. If 30 is not present in CM, then more than 30. And that also just more than 30. Then here you see which one the term just greater than 30 we cannot say, because x and y we don't know the value of x and y. So here which one just greater than 30 we cannot say. So then here that process is not possible. But here you see, then how will find the median class? Median class we must require. Then how will find the median class? Then here you see here median given 28.5. From this we will find the median class. Now median 28, median actually we are finding from the class interval, not from the frequency. Either mean, mode or median we have to find from the class intervals or whatever the data is given. Then median 28.5, it is clear that this 28.5 it is lies in this interval 20 to 30. Okay, this thing you have to remember to find the median class. Now 28.5 it is lies 20 to 30. Then this is the median class. Then this line will mark as this way. Okay, then this is the median class. So therefore we will write that median class will be 20 to 30. Then we will find that L means lower limit of the median class. Then H is 10. Okay, then F, frequency of the median class is 20, is clear. Then CF, just before the median, CM of the just before the median class. So it is not 25 plus x, it is 5 plus x. 5 plus x. So we got all the vectors. Okay, H is 10, F is 20, CF is 5 plus x, n by 2 we got 30. So therefore we know that the median formula, the median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay, this is the formula. Median given 28.5, lower limit is 20, n by 2 is 30 minus CF. Since CF two terms, here sign is minus. So both the sign of this 5 plus x will be changed. Actually this term should write in bracket. But if we remove the bracket, then minus 5 minus x. Divide by f is 20. And this term write in bracket, then h is 10. So h is 10. Okay, we put the value here minus 5 because 5 plus x should be in bracket. If we remove the bracket, minus 5 minus x. Now we will simplify. This 20 since separate term we transfer to this side, then 8.5 is equal to. Then this and this we can cancel. Here 30 minus 5 is 20. So it is means that 25. It is 25 minus x divided by 2. Okay, 30 minus 5, 25 minus x. And this here 2. Then we will solve. It is a linear equation. Then it is 17. Okay, it is 17, 25 minus x. So it is minus 8 equal to minus x. This implies that x equal to 8. Means we got the values of x, that is 8. Okay, from this formulas we got the values of x, that is 8. But we have to find the value of y also. Okay, we got the values of x, then how will we find the values of y? So I think it's clear that in this line, you have to write the median. This line should put the value accurately and then simplify. So then now we'll find the value of y. Now you see here again, you see here table. Total of frequency 60 and the last CF is 45 plus x plus y. I said that the last CF and the total of frequency should be same. Means what? That this term is equal to 60. Is that clear? So then we'll write we have 60 is equal to then 45 plus x plus y. And this implies 60 plus 45 x value 8 we got already. Then 60 minus 53 is equal to y. Then y is equal to 7. So we got the values of y from this relation. Is that clear? So we got the values of x and y. This is very important questions. So you will practice one more time. One example is there. That one example as it is same. You will practice these two examples is this one and that example if you practice, you can solve this problem. Is that clear? So now then number 3, question number 3, number 2 is finished. Number 3, here given a life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age if policies are given only to person having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. Now you see here one table I am showing you. This table you see here. Here direct class interval is not given. Okay, here given that below 20, below 25, below 30, this way is given. And the number of policy holders. Is that clear? So direct like that, the class interval is not given here. Then you see here two problem is there. So here I have done the table, the same table here written, that age in years that I have written here, and it is given that number of policy holders. Now you see, since here given that below 20, below 25, below 30, so this data is not the frequency, remember. If either below or less than given, then whatever the data is given, that don't think that is the frequency, that is CF. So I have written in the line of CF. Is that clear? This thing you have to remember. Then we have to find the class interval according to this, and we have to find the frequency. So this table is just opposite of question number 1. Okay, direct class interval given, frequency given, we have to find the CF. But here you see that CF is given, we have to find frequency. So, okay, so 2-3 things you have to remember, that from this we will write the class interval. Okay, then we have the number of policy holder, it is CF. We will find that F, because without F we cannot find the median. Is that clear? Then here, how we write the class intervals? Here actually that here below 20, below 25, below 30, then it is clear the size of class interval is 5. Size of class interval is 5. Here below 20, okay, that the first one we can write that below 20. Below 20. Because you see here that minimum age is given 18. First one we will write that because first class interval is not required to find the median. Then this one will write that below 25 means here that the first class interval, second 20 to 25. First one we have written same. Okay, then second one 20 to 25, below 25, and size is 5. Then next have the same 25 to 30, then maximum 30, then 30 to 35. Below 40 means 35 to 40. Below 45 means 40 to 45. Then 45 to 50. Then 50 to 55. And 55 to 60. Okay. So these are the class interval. Now you see here that CF is given how to find the frequency. And frequency must we have to find it. We got the class interval. Because here the size is 5, so we have made this class interval. First one we can keep is same because here the minimum age is given 18, so we cannot write 15 to 20. So below 20 we will write, and other we have written it. Now see that from CF to F how to find that first CF will not be changed. Either F to CF, first one is not changing. CF to F also the first one CF will not change. That is the first frequency. The next R is 6 minus 2. This two consecutive term will subtract 6 minus 2 is 4. Then 24 minus 6 is 18. Then 45 minus 24 it is 121. 78 minus 45 it is 3. Then it is 3. Then this minus this 1. Then it is 3. Then it is 6. Then it is 2. Okay, so we got that frequency. Now it should be total. Total of frequency should be 100. Here 100, last one CF is 100, and this total should be 100. Now you see total 100 here you see 8, 11, 12, 15, 16, 24, then 28, 30, 3, 4, 7, 9, 10. We got the 100. We got the 100. Means this is correct table. So the table is complete now. Okay, I think you have understood the table, how to make it the table, and if we got the table, then it is easy. Now we have to find that median, and that median now straight cut question. Is that clear? So median now we will find